Welcome back, guys. Today, we've got 15 game-changing kitchen and home gadgets that'll make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient. From smart composters and deep fryers to herb scissors and panini presses, these tools are here to level up your kitchen. Need to organize? Check out our kitchen trash can, sink caddy, and under-shelf basket. Perfect for keeping things tidy and stress-free. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or organizing, we've got you covered. Links to all products are in the description below. This smart kitchen composter turns daily food scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer with ease. Featuring a large 4L capacity, it handles multiple cycles a day, making it perfect for family use. The upgraded churning system with 6 powerful blades even cuts through small bones, helping you DIY your own compost. 2 activated carbon filters keep things odor-free, while the LED display and simple one-button operation make it super user-friendly. It reduces waste volume by 90% in just 3 to 6 hours. This handheld kitchen tool is a total game-changer for your chopping routine. Whether it's garlic, ginger, herbs, or even nuts, it minces everything with ease. Just pop in 2 to 3 garlic cloves, give it a good twist, and boom, perfectly minced bits ready to go. No more messy presses or clunky tools. Plus, it works wonders for ginger slices and can even crush nuts for dessert toppings. Compact, easy to clean, and super versatile, this little gadget will have you wondering how you ever cooked without it. This herb scissors set is your all-in-one kitchen sidekick. It comes with herb shears, a 2-in-1 herb stripper, and a peeler with 3 different blades to tackle everything from meat and poultry to veggies, fruits, and even pizza slices. No need for chopping boards, just snip, strip, and peel your way to quick and easy meal prep. With sharp stainless steel blades and comfy anti-slip handles, this set makes cutting effortless and safe. Plus, it includes a 5-blade herb scissors and cleaning tool for fast chopping and easy cleanup. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to smooth, speedy cooking. This 4-slice grill and panini press combo is your go-to gadget for sandwich cravings and beyond. Just hit the button and boom. Press your perfect panini or flip it open 180 degrees to grill burgers, steaks, veggies, and whatever else your appetite dreams up. The floating hinge adjusts to any sandwich size, stack it sky high if you want, and the spacious surface can handle 4 sandwiches or 2 mega paninis at once. Compact enough for dorms, offices, or road trips, yet powerful enough for family feasts. A breeze, thanks to non-stick plates, a drip tray, and skid-resistant feet to drain grease like a pro. This high-capacity popcorn machine makes snack time quick and easy. Just scoop in your kernels, smash that one-touch button, and you've got fresh, fluffy popcorn in minutes. Plus, it's a healthier move. No oil, no preservatives, just pure hot air magic for up to 16 cups of popcorn goodness. Perfect for parties, movie nights, or cozy dates at home. And the measuring cup? Doubles as a butter melting tray for that movie theater vibe. Compact, sleek, and cute enough to flex in your kitchen or take on the road. Comes with everything you need to get poppin', including a recipe book to level up your snack game. This clothes steamer is a powerhouse, designed to remove wrinkles in a flash. With a 1300W steam output and 25-second fast heating, you'll have wrinkle-free clothes in no time. The 230 megaliters water tank provides up to 20 minutes of continuous steam, reducing the hassle of frequent refills. Its lightweight, compact design makes it ideal for both vertical and horizontal steaming. Plus, it's the only steamer with a built-in aromatherapy box, so you can add your favorite essential oils for a fragrant, fresh finish. Perfect for all fabrics from chiffon to cotton. This kitchen trash can is designed to keep your space tidy and organized. With a variable altitude lid for easy access and wheels for effortless movement, it's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office. This versatile trash can also comes with 2 space-saving small waste bins for extra convenience. Whether you're tossing kitchen scraps or bathroom waste, its compact design and included garbage bags make cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a cleaner space. Ideal for any household, this trash can is the perfect blend of functionality and style. This bulb lamp blends futuristic design with warm LED lighting. Using magnetic suspension, it floats in mid-air and rotates 360 degrees, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. Perfect for home or office decor, it adds a modern, artistic touch to any space. Its soft glow makes it a stylish night light, and its unique floating design makes it an eye-catching gift. Elevate your space with this innovative lamp that combines elegance, technology, and creativity. This sink caddy organizer keeps your sink area neat and tidy. Crafted from 304 rust-proof stainless steel, it features a high brush holder and a dedicated sponge holder, perfect for organizing all your cleaning essentials. The soap dispenser slot adds convenience, while its sleek design doubles as stylish kitchen decor and accessories. Designed for durability and easy cleaning, this caddy helps reduce clutter and keeps your countertop organized, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen. This under-shelf basket features an expandable design with adjustable width, ranging from 10.04 inches to 16.81 inches, allowing you to customize the storage space to suit your needs. Made from heavy-duty iron metal, this basket can hold up to 35 pounds and is enhanced with 3 mm thickened hanging arms for extra stability and rust-proof durability. Maximize your storage in kitchens, pantries, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, and store everything from spices to snacks. With a 4.13-inch internal storage height, it fits perfectly under most shelves, making it the ideal solution for organizing small items. Whether used in cabinets or as an under-shelf organizer, this multifunctional basket is your go-to for keeping your space neat and clutter-free. This silicone egg cooker takes your egg boiling to the next level. With a 6-egg capacity, it allows you to cook eggs to perfection, whether you prefer soft-boiled or hard-boiled. The design ensures the eggs are easy to peel, and the cooker is both dishwasher-safe and simple to clean. Anti-scald handles make it easy and safe to place or remove eggs from boiling water. The built-in egg storage rack doubles as a tray for storing eggs in the fridge. A perfect addition for any kitchen, dorm, or camping trip. This deep fryer brings professional-grade frying to your home with an advanced oil filtration system that automatically filters and stores oil for easy cleanup and cost savings. Precise temperature control, 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures the perfect golden brown results every time. With a 3.5L oil capacity and a 2.65 pounds food capacity, it's ideal for family meals or entertaining up to 6 people. This growing system kit is your ultimate indoor garden solution. Featuring 17 pods and 102/28W full-spectrum grow lights, it ensures your plants get the perfect light for optimal growth. With a 10L water tank, water pump, and auto timer, this system takes care of watering and lighting automatically, so you can enjoy hassle-free gardening. The height-adjustable design allows it to grow with your plants. Perfect for herb gardens or small indoor gardens, this sleek black and gray system blends seamlessly into any space.